Welcome to my channel and let's get started. So here, choose your favorite colors and build the pieces, and also the side of the card the same color that you chose. Okay, just to show you how I build my pieces together. So I just use a little bowl for the color bead that I need and then put them together. And then when you fuse the bead, make sure that you don't fuse it for too long, otherwise it's really hard to build. So just try to monitor it. When you see to stick on one side, flip it over on the other side. So here's my little tips to put the pieces with the same color together, so later on it's easier to find them and it's easier to build. Alright, so we're gonna build all the pieces together right now. If you want, you can go fast forward or you can stop and then just build your pieces on your own. So here, take your time and put the pieces, connect them together, and you're gonna see the magic. Yay, look at that. You just made one for yourself. How magical. Well, feel free to choose any other colors that you like, your own preference. And I hope you enjoyed this video and will subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you will get alert for all the new videos. Give me a like and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.